Good afternoon. This is video journal number 5, where we are taking the test for the vowels. I just took the test and I have it up on the screen. Hopefully you can see that, Ms. Moore. It says my primary type is thinkers and secondary type is innovators. According to the book on page 108, as a thinker, we enjoy good incomes but are more practical and conservative in their tastes, well educated and responsible. They are continually seeking out opportunities for learning and reflection and have a strong sense of responsibility. Well, for the most part, I would think that probably does fit me. I'm fairly conservative. I have a couple of streams of income. My favorite is my real estate income. And I do have a master's degree. It says well educated. I try and be responsible as I can. And I'm definitely always looking for new opportunities, and I do enjoy learning new things. So I guess maybe they did kind of hit me on there. It says that the second group that I'm most like is innovators. So as I move down to up to the innovator, it says innovators have abundant resources and because of this are very active consumers with upscale tastes and interest in niche products. They are successful, sophisticated, and image conscious consumers who value their independence. Well, I'm not sure that I'm so image conscious because for the most part, I could probably care less what anybody thinks about me. And I wouldn't necessarily say I have an abundance of resources. I know people with resources. And I wouldn't necessarily say I'm an active consumer. I consume whatever it is that I want or need. And I wouldn't say that I have upscale tastes. There are some things that I just don't believe in buying just because you have the money to buy it. So I wouldn't necessarily say that I have upscale tastes. So I don't know. Maybe they hit me more better as being a thinker as opposed to an innovator. That I'm not sure. But I don't know, Miss Moore. I think I'm more of a thinker than an innovator for sure. And that's just based upon, my life, my lifestyle, what I believe in and all that good stuff. I'm surprised they didn't put anything in here about religious beliefs and religious responsibility. I'm surprised that's not under thinkers or innovators. Cause I know I think it's the achievers. Their work and worship tend to be very important to them. So, of course, being a Christian is very important to me as well. So maybe that's something that could have been in there too, but evidently it's not. Anyway, my time is up. Oh, I went way over. It's 2:45. Sorry about that. This is video journal number 5. Rodney Funderburk. Thank you for listening.